As we all know by now, the economy is just weird. But now, more than ever, you have plenty of opportunity to make money online. Yes, I'm talking to you too. I mean, I've been an entrepreneur now for like 15 plus years. It's basically all I know. I don't know anything else except being like a full-time side hustler, building projects and trying to make money from them. So I'm going to share with you plenty of ideas that could get you to that $1,500 mark. All right, so let's go. What skills do you already possess? Or what can you learn quickly that others need? If so, whatever came to your mind, become a freelancer. Go to sites like Upwork or Freelancer.com. These are both great options that you can look at becoming a freelancer. Now, what kind of jobs are we talking about? Look right here. Development and IT, design and creative, sales and marketing, writing and translation, admin and customer support, literally anything. There, you could find what is a good fit for you. You can find it on these websites. And if you wanted yet another option that is kind of ballpark similar, just slightly different, it's remote jobs. So flexjobs.com. And don't worry, I will put links to all of these down below. But FlexJobs is basically vetted remote work. So not exactly a freelancer, closely related, right? So still a job, yet remote, flexible, and you can figure out something that works for you. Learn to build websites and build websites for people. Or you could even put graphic design into this category. People would need graphics and such on their website, and for other things, I lump these two together because they really go hand in hand. Learn for free. Spend a few hours on YouTube, learn how to do this, build a basic website, and then market your services to people. You could literally use for graphic design. So this was probably my favorite tool in 2021, Canva. So Canva is completely free now, like a multi-billion-dollar company, basically turning everyone into designers. Like me, I'm not a designer, but I can take a basic, a graphic of something that already looks great and then adjust it and turn it into my brand. We actually have the paid version of this. I think it's like $150 a year or something. Best money spent. My entire team uses this. It's such a great tool. I highly recommend it. I'll put a link down to this one as well. In fact, there will be an entire article that'll have all of these as well if you want to see the article. And if you're going to learn to build websites and build websites for other people, obviously, I think you should build a website for yourself and learn how to monetize it. Now, I get it. I'm probably a little partial. I have my own website and it's a part of my income streams. If you learn how to build a website, it can get website traffic. You can earn money from ads like that's showing on the site. You can earn money from affiliate deals where you promote other people's products and services and get paid when people buy through your recommendations. There's so much opportunity for you to create your own website. And you could start, like I said earlier, with creating websites for other people. To carry this on, and this will actually go into my next idea, is create an educational course. So this is like an extension of my personal brand. So back to my website. Once you build a website and start getting some traffic, you can do multiple things. You can collect email addresses. You can create courses and sell those to your audience. So a course is actually the next step in another idea that I would give to you. So like this is Destroy the Box University, where I have a course on basically creating your first $1,000 a month blogging, or also how to launch your idea and make your first $2,500. These are two courses that I have launched and they live on this site. I can sell them in perpetuity. I can update them. My goal, as you know, is to get people to not just think outside the box, but to destroy the box. It was fun making that. So fun. But you can do the same thing. It doesn't have to be courses in this category. That doesn't matter. You can create, it could be bread baking. It could be how to teach people how to use Excel. There are people making full-time incomes on all of these things. How to sew, how to make quilts. These are things off the top of my head that I've actually seen case studies on. People having full-time businesses and creating courses around those ideas. What are you thinking about this so far? Think it's pretty good? You think we can get them to hit the like button? They like it, other people will see it. YouTube kind of pushes it out. Maybe they'll do it. All right, you may have heard the term the sharing economy. We're in the sharing economy. So if you own a home, rent out your room. If you own an extra home, rent out the extra home on Airbnb. If you own a vehicle that you don't use all the time, well, rent it out on Turo. If you, so this is Turo. I actually, long story, I won't tell you the full thing, but found a weapon in a vehicle I rented on Turo. Funny story, actually. Go find it on TikTok. if you'd like to check that out. But Airbnb. So my wife and I use Airbnb to use Airbnb, and we rent out a property that we have. At one point we had 3 Airbnbs. Right now we have one still. Neighbor is one you probably haven't heard of, but rent out your storage space. Maybe you have an extra room, or you have a garage that you're not using that's empty, or you have attic space, or you have an overhang. Neighbor is like the Airbnb of your extra space. So check these out. Rent out your extra space for extra cash. And if you need more ideas, I'll put some more up right now. Peace.